Sahil and today I am going to read a lovely little story for you. A special nest written by Kavita Singh. So let's start. Winter is approaching. Bird decides to build a nest. She gathers little twigs and builds her nest carefully. After a lot of care and hard work, the nest is ready. It is warm and cozy. The bird is happy and lies down and begins daydreaming of a comfortable winter. As she is about to fall asleep, she feels something shaking. Bird thinks maybe the wind is shaking the nest a little, but the nest shakes and trembles and shakes some more. The bird flies out of the nest. The next moment, the nest falls to the ground. The bird sees an elephant using the tree to scratch her back. She is quite annoyed. "This is so rude of you, elephant," she said to her angrily and flies away. She begins to search for a new place, a place where elephant can't reach to her. She started building a new nest. With care and hard work, she built a home. Tired, she falls asleep. Just as she is about to close her eyes, she sees two big round eyes. They are staring at her. It's Painter. He takes her nest and throws it away. Then he picks up a brush and started painting the wall. The bird is very annoyed. "This is so rude of you, human," she says to him angrily and flies away. Her heart is heavy with worry. As she flies, she sees a balloon floating in the air and another. She looks below and sees lots and lots of balloons. The bird looks at the balloon and has an idea. With care and hard work, she built a new nest. This time, nobody can disturb her. Thank you.